Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you a pretty simple way to remove a pimple overnight. And this morning I woke up with these disgusting things on my face here. I don't know if you can see them. Well, actually yesterday morning I only woke up with one, then this morning a couple more popped up. So I need to get rid of it. Anyways, let me show you how to get rid of it overnight. The first thing is if you're lucky enough to wake up with it on like a Saturday or Sunday when you don't have to work or on a day off, you can wake up and go about half the day and then start this process, and you can just do it an extra couple times. So once you see what I do, you'll know what I'm talking about. So you can just do it an extra couple times. If you woke up with it and you have to go to work, you're forced to go to work, then you just put your makeup on, go to work, and then come home, and then as soon as you get home, you do this process. So what you want to do is if you have makeup on, you want to remove the makeup, and then you want to cleanse your face really well. Go in the bathroom, use your facial cleanser, whatever kind you use, and then cleanse the face really well. Is get around the area where the pimple is, and you want to take some alcohol, okay? And I'm just taking regular rubbing alcohol and putting it on a cotton ball, and I'm going to put it on that entire area. And the reason I'm doing this is because you're going to pop this pimple right now, and you want that whole area around there. It's right under my nose. I feel like I'm inhaling fumes. So you want that whole area to be disinfected. So the reason why you want to put the alcohol there and have that area disinfected is because you're going to pop the pimple, and when you pop the pimple, all of that bacteria and stuff that caused it in the first place is going to come out, and you don't want it to come out on the surrounding skin and cause more pimples to form. That's why they always say don't pop your pimples and yada yada yada. You actually do want to pop the pimples because you want to get all that crap out, but you just don't want to do it in unsanitary conditions. So I like to take 2 Q-tips, because even though you wash your hands and all that, it's still possible for your hands to have more germs on it. So I like to just take 2 Q-tips, dip those in alcohol, and then mine are already popped, but I'll just show you real quick. All you want to do is put one on either side of the pimple, push down, and then in underneath the pimple. That's the proper way to pop a pimple. I'll zoom you in. Like I said, are already popped, but you just want to put see that big guy in the middle of my Q-tips? You want to put your Q-tips on either side like that, and then just push down and then in underneath the pimple. And then what'll happen is that pimple will pop and all that stuff will come out, and then you immediately wipe away all that stuff with the Q-tip with alcohol or cotton with alcohol. And then if you have more to pop, just keep replacing your Q-tips throughout the process so you don't have like bacteria staying on the Q-tip while you're continuing to pop. And now this process will work for an entire face of acne. If you have acne problems, it'll help to sort of tone it down until you can find a treatment to get it under control. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take ice cubes. I have them in a Ziploc bag. I don't like to put it in paper towels because then as they melt, it gets all wet and everything, so I put it in a Ziploc bag. If you're going to do your whole face or a big section, I would wrap it in aluminum foil, and then so that way you can make the aluminum fit the shape, the area that you're doing, and then wrap that in like a cloth, a paper towel, or a clean washcloth, something that's clean. And then, but for me, since I'm just doing this one area, I'm going to just use the ice cubes in a Ziploc bag. And then what you want to do is you want to just take it and hold the ice cubes right on to those pimples. And you want to hold it there for no less than 10 minutes. It has to be there for 10 minutes. So sit back, watch TV or something. Because what's happening when you're doing this is you're freezing the pimple shut. So you squeeze it, you got all that bacteria and all that crap out of there. So you're going to squeeze it shut. It's going to force anything else out of there, and it's just going to stay shut. So nothing else can get in there and whatnot, and then it's going to help it to sort of die down. So I'm going to hold this for 10 minutes, and I will be right back to show you what to do. Okay, so we are back now, and if you do the Ziploc bag, it gets a little too cold for you, you can wrap it in a washcloth as well. But for me, it goes numb pretty quickly, so it doesn't really bother me. Now what you want to do is you want to just take like an acne cream, like Clearasil, stuff like that, like a pimple cream. And you just want to dab it right onto that pimple that you basically froze. And again, if you're doing your whole face,